Welcome back. Shopping for a mattress can be tricky enough if you are an adult, but what if you are a kid? You might need to bring backup. That's where the mattress doctor comes in.
Well, you probably know that Derek is a big fan of Texas Mattress Makers. So when I needed a new mattress for sweet little AJ, he's just 7, of course, that was my first stop. All right, so we're in the market for a new mattress for Mr. AJ. What are you looking for in a mattress?
Kind of want like a big one that's not bouncy.
Okay, and how many hours do you sleep a night?
Maybe like 10.9.
10.9. And do you have a hard time sleeping on your bed right now at home?
Well, during school nights, yes.
Oh, really? How come?
Because of dirt. Because our neighbor next door, their dogs bark a lot.
Okay. You ready? Oh, what's your budget?
Maybe like $90.
All right, I think we're in the right spot. Texas Mattress Makers. You ready to shop?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this. Today, we're at Texas Mattress Makers in Katy. All right, let's get a mattress. Hi, Yuval. This is my son, AJ.
How are you? Hi, AJ. How are you?
Good.
Just like he does with all of his customers, the mattress doctor, Yuval, was ready to help us find the right fit.
I need a new bed.
Do you know what kind of bed you'd like?
I need a smaller mattress. Mine is huge.
Most kids probably don't know what they need in a mattress. And I don't know where to begin. I feel like the first mattress that we bought him was after the convertible crib. Went to a big boy bed.
Right.
And I gotta be honest with you, I spent the least amount of money in that time and thought, I don't know what to buy. So he sleeps way more than we do, 10, 11 hours at night, and I think it's important, right? I guess I missed the ball on this one.
No, you didn't. I'm sorry to say, it's normal.
Okay.
Okay, or mothers will buy the least expensive one because it's just not a thought process, all right? Or they'll do the opposite. They'll buy too expensive of a mattress because AJ doesn't weigh anything. Right? He weighs something, but when you lay him on a mattress, he doesn't weigh.
Right.
So he needs a certain amount of support and a certain amount of bounce. Not too much bounce, AJ, I promise you.
All right, so you're gonna walk us through all this?
I would love to.
You ready?
Sure.
Yeah.
Of course you are. Come on, let's go. Let's go in here, okay?
I'm gonna go in the kids area.
It's not the kids area.
Okay.
It's an area where I believe we should start.
And then the search began.
This one behind me is a full size.
Nice and big.
Huh?
I kind of wanted it smaller, but I'll take that.
A full-size bed would work for a kid in elementary school all the way through high school. But no matter the age, Yuval says support and comfort should be the first priorities.
Okay, so you see this bed here? This bed is so thin that it's not going to be good for you. Right? Not for every night. If you were going to go camping and once in a while you would go to sleep on it, perfect. But this one, all right, come over here. Get on this bed. Let's see how you feel on this bed. How's that feel?
Feels kind of
Firm.
Yeah.
And
Feels better than my other mattress.
it does. You just embarrassed your mama. Good boy. Give me 5.
Terrible mattress at home. Terrible.
But
No,
lay.
my mom's mattress is terrible.
Very good. Lay on this mattress.
Lay down. Put your head down.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. No, you can leave your shoes on. Put your feet up. Okay? And lay down. And when you go to bed at night, do you have a pillow?
Yes.
How many?
2.
2. So you actually sleep like this, like you're laying right now?
Whether you're a back sleeper, a side sleeper, or a stomach sleeper, those factors can help determine which mattress is right for you.
So you see, I believe that if this bed is not too firm for him, this is an excellent bed for him.
Okay.
Excellent bed.
And why? That's just, it's good firmness, it's...
First of all, based on his size, based on his age, he's going to grow. You want something that will keep his spine straight,
Okay.
so he gets the right support.
And getting the right support is critical for a growing kid like AJ.
This is not an exaggeration. This young man, okay, can pretty much finish almost to the end of his high school year on this bed. And the cost is insignificant compared to the usage.
Right.
Okay?
I like it.
So
What do you think, Andrew? You like this one?
Yeah, I like this one, but how much money is it?
So I'll tell you how much money it is, okay? This mattress here on in a full size is $204.
Did you bring your wallet?
At $204.
Don't worry, buddy. I'm picking up the tab on this one. Besides, it'll only cost me $20 per year for you to sleep on this all the way until your high school graduation.
So fun. Right now at Texas Mattress Makers, you can save on top of already low factory direct prices with their pocketed coil showroom specials. You can get a queen set for only $649. The regular price, by the way, is $990. If you'd like to learn more, visit their Houston or Katy locations. You can also check them out online at texasmattressmakers.com.
And after the break, if you want to look younger, there's